Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can remove Netflix profile, or let's say delete Netflix profile. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So first thing first, just get logged in with your account in your Netflix app or Netflix website, and then just choose the profile you use to watch the Netflix with. Once you are over here, just go to the top right corner, and then you'll be having this manage profile option. Just press on it, and then now what you need to do is you'll be having these many options if you have. So choose the one that you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete this one. So what I do is just press on over here and then go a bit down, and then you'll be having this option which says delete profile. By pressing on delete profile, the profile will be deleted. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.